Installing picture windows is an excellent way to bring more natural light into your home and create a clean, modern look. However, to get the most out of this upgrade, proper planning and installation are essential. For homeowners in Metairie, avoiding common mistakes can make the difference between long-term satisfaction and costly issues down the line. Here are some key mistakes to watch out for when installing picture windows. One of the most common mistakes is improper measurement. Picture windows are typically large, fixed panes of glass, and even a small measurement error can lead to gaps, poor sealing, or the need for costly adjustments. Every home is different, and window openings may not be perfectly square. Taking precise measurements, or working with professionals who do, ensures a proper fit that supports both performance and appearance. Another major issue is poor sealing and insulation. Picture windows are designed to be energy efficient, but that efficiency depends heavily on how well they are installed. If gaps are left around the frame, air can leak in and out, leading to drafts and uneven indoor temperatures. In Metairie's warm and humid climate, this can also allow moisture to enter your home, increasing the risk of mold or mildew. Proper sealing and insulation are critical for maintaining comfort and protecting your home. Ignoring proper placement is another mistake homeowners sometimes make. While picture windows are great for maximizing views and natural light, placing them in the wrong area can lead to excessive heat gain. For example, installing a large picture window in direct sunlight without considering shading or coatings can cause rooms to become too warm. Strategic placement, along with energy-efficient glass options, helps balance light and temperature. Choosing the wrong type of glass is also a common oversight. Not all picture windows are created equal, and selecting standard glass instead of energy-efficient options can impact your home's comfort. Features like low-E coatings and double or triple pane glass help reduce heat transfer and block harmful UV rays. In Metairie, where sunlight is strong, these features are especially important for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Another mistake is overlooking the importance of professional installation. While DIY projects can be appealing, installing picture windows requires precision and expertise. Improper installation can lead to alignment issues, leaks, and reduced performance. Professional installers have the tools and experience needed to ensure your windows are level, secure, and properly sealed. Ventilation is another factor that is sometimes forgotten. Picture windows are fixed and do not open, which means they don't provide airflow. Installing them without considering ventilation options can make certain areas of your home feel stagnant. A smart solution is to pair picture windows with operable windows, such as casement or awning styles, to maintain both views and airflow. Neglecting structural support is another potential problem. Because picture windows are often larger than standard windows, they may require additional support to ensure stability. Failing to address this can lead to issues over time, such as sagging or frame damage. Proper installation includes reinforcing the surrounding structure when necessary. Poor finishing work is another mistake that can affect both appearance and performance. Gaps, uneven trim, or improper caulking can reduce the overall look of your windows and create opportunities for air and moisture infiltration. Attention to detail during the finishing stage ensures a polished result that enhances your home's interior and exterior. Another oversight is not considering long-term maintenance. While picture windows are generally low maintenance, choosing the wrong materials or skipping proper installation can lead to issues that require more upkeep. Selecting durable materials and ensuring proper installation helps minimize future maintenance needs. Finally, focusing only on aesthetics without considering functionality can lead to regret. While picture windows are visually appealing, they should also meet your home's practical needs. Balancing design with performance ensures you get the most value from your investment. In the end, installing picture windows in Metairie can greatly enhance your home's comfort, lighting, and overall appeal, but only when done correctly. By avoiding these common mistakes and working with experienced professionals, you can enjoy all the benefits of Picture Windows while ensuring long-lasting performance and peace of mind.